To query Uniswap v3 via API, start by understanding the basics of Uniswap and its API. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that enables the swapping of tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. The Uniswap API provides a programmatic way to access data and interact with the protocol. First, you need to obtain an API key from a data provider such as the Graph or Alchemy. These platforms offer APIs that provide access to Uniswap data, including liquidity pools, token prices, and trading volumes. Once you have an API key, you can use it to send HTTP requests to the Uniswap API endpoint. The API endpoint URL typically includes the API key as a query parameter. For example, you can use the following URL to retrieve a list of all liquidity pools on Uniswap v3 https api.thegraph.com/subgraphs/name/uniswap-v3 query pools. To query Uniswap v3 via API, you need to construct a query using the GraphQL query language. GraphQL is a query language for APIs that allows you to specify exactly what data you want to retrieve. For example, you can use the following GraphQL query to retrieve the current price of the ETH/USDT liquidity pool. Query get pool, pool, id, token 0, token 1, liquidity, SQRT price. Next, you need to send the GraphQL query to the Uniswap API endpoint using an HTTP POST request. You can use programming languages such as Python or JavaScript to send the request and parse the response. When querying Uniswap v3 via API, it is essential to handle errors and exceptions properly. This includes checking the API response status code and handling any errors that may occur during the query execution. Best practices for querying Uniswap v3 via API include caching query results to reduce the number of requests, using efficient query constructs to minimize data transfer, and implementing retry mechanisms to handle temporary errors. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively query Uniswap v3 via API and build powerful applications that interact with the Uniswap protocol. Remember to always check the official Uniswap documentation and API terms of service for the most up-to-date information and guidelines.